PayPal Credit versus PayPal Mastercard. Which one is better to use? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to give you a detailed comparison between PayPal Credit and PayPal Mastercard, analyzing their benefits, fees, and best use cases for customers. So if you've ever wondered which one is better for your needs, you're in the right place. We'll break them down into key categories, rate them, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the better choice for you. So let's get started. First, let's clarify what each option actually is. PayPal Credit is a digital line of credit. Think of it as a flexible financing tool for PayPal purchases. You can buy now and pay later, often with 0% interest on qualifying purchases. PayPal Mastercard, on the other hand, is a physical credit card. You can use it anywhere Mastercard is accepted, and it offers cashback rewards on all purchases. So if you're looking for a way to finance PayPal purchases, PayPal Credit makes sense. But if you want a traditional credit card with cashback, the Mastercard might be the better option. Then let's talk about rewards and benefits. This is where things get interesting. PayPal Credit does not offer cashback or rewards. Its main benefit is financing flexibility. PayPal Mastercard offers 2% cashback in all purchases, making it one of the best cashback cards for everyday spending. So in this category, PayPal Mastercard wins hands down. If you love rewards, this is the clear choice. And now let's talk about the cost of using these options. PayPal Credit offers 0% interest for 6 months on purchases over $99 as long as you pay in full by the due date. Otherwise, high interest kicks in. And on the other hand, PayPal Mastercard has a variable APR based on your credit score, just like any other credit card. However, if you carry a balance, interest charges can add up. If you're disciplined with payments and want to avoid interest, PayPal Credit can be useful. But if you're looking for long-term value, PayPal Mastercard still takes the lead. After that, let's talk about approval and credit impact. So in this case, both options require a credit check. PayPal Credit is easier to get approved for, but only works within the PayPal ecosystem. PayPal Mastercard requires a good credit score, usually 670 plus, and affects your credit like any other card. If you're new to credit or have a lower score, PayPal Credit is easier to access, but if you want to build credit over time, the Mastercard is the smarter choice. So which one is better for you? PayPal Credit is great for online shoppers who need short-term financing. PayPal Mastercard is better for everyday use, cashback rewards, and building credit. If you shop mostly online and love PayPal 6-month financing, go with PayPal Credit. But if you want a real credit card with solid rewards, PayPal Mastercard is the clear winner. So what do you think? Which one do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.